Move. Lady. Lady. No, move. Why? Why must you? Why must you?
Excellent. We're almost ready. This should be fun. What the hell is that? I swear, if I run into the same trouble I had with you in Hong Kong, in all the years you and I have known each other, I've never put you in a position like this. You know how I conduct my business. I don't need this kind of crap. You assured me this place was secure. It is. Then what the hell is that? That van. It was there when we arrived, and it's still there. That is the FBI. With all the scams and wands and this elevator you've built that goes down to Middle Earth, and you're able to sweep the street around the buildings and not come down. You're under surveillance. If the FBI was outside. So you let them here? I knew it. I've been moving comfortably through the world for the past 20 years without a trace, and now some
Lady, you something else. Lady. Lady. Ladybug. I don't want you all on me. You supposed to be over there.
We have activity. Everybody heads up. We're made for 2 o'clock. Bring it down.
Feel like you can't lay down over there.
You!
Lady, you can't lay down over there. Are you mad? You mad, lady?
They know we're here.
Maybe the van just stayed there too long and they didn't have.
Oh, what? Yeah, we're going into Wednesday.